Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the host machine so you can connect immediately. First, confirm the PC is powered, awake, and signed in with an account that has a strong password. This protects remote access. Once done, enable Remote Desktop or your chosen remote access app and grant firewall permissions so incoming sessions aren't blocked. Also, make sure you note the device's IP address or dynamic DNS hostname and assign a static local IP when possible to avoid address changes that break future connections. Now you configure network routing and secure access so the connection is reliable and safe. If you must expose a port, forward the remote desktop port on your router, but preferably use a cloud relay or vendor gateway to avoid public ports. Better yet, connect through a VPN or a jump host. This encrypts traffic and reduces attack surface. Then install the matching client app on your device, enter the host address and credentials, and test the connection method so you confirm everything works before relying on it. Finally, initiate the remote session and verify the desktop, sound, and input are responsive so you can work. Once connected, enable unattended access with a recovery key or alternate admin account. This ensures you can reconnect if the interactive user isn't present. Make sure to close sessions or lock the screen when finished to protect privacy. If things go wrong, first check firewall rules, NAT/port forwarding, and credentials. Then restart the host's remote service or the router. These fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.